This is a hypnosis session to become a warrior entrepreneur. You know, if you're an entrepreneur, you need to have the mindset of a warrior. This hypnosis session will help you do it. And you can listen to it right now just by closing your eyes or defocusing them and using your peripheral vision, relaxing your face, your shoulders, your chest, and your stomach, and taking a deep breath in and slowly let it out. Take another deep breath in. Then slowly let it out. Now bring your attention into your body, down to your stomach. Relax the stomach muscles and let that whole area relax completely. Let that feeling of relaxation move up into your chest, relaxing the chest muscles. Feel your chest open and expand. Feel that relaxation moving deep into your lungs and your heart. And feel that relaxation continue to move into your shoulders. Relax the shoulders. And feel that relaxation moving up your neck, up into your ears, down into your jaw. Relax the jaw muscles. And feel that relaxation move over your lips, up into your nose. So with each and every breath you take, you begin to relax even more. And then feel that relaxation move up into your eyes and your eyelids. Really let the eyes relax completely and totally. And feel the relaxation moving up into your eyebrows, into your forehead, and down over your face. Now notice this feeling. Allow every cell of your body to remember this feeling of relaxation and calm, because this is the place you're going to go to when your business is causing stress in your life, which is inevitable. But your response can change. You can begin to respond to the stressful situations in your business in a new way. A way where you relax your body and quiet your mind. Because as soon as you do this, you tap into your resourcefulness. You tap into your creativity. And you can begin to look at the problems and challenges that you have in your business. And you can begin to watch them shrink in the face of your true power that you're able to tap into when you relax and center yourself. When you tap into your deeper power, you can overcome any obstacle that your business throws at you because you are a creative, powerful entrepreneur. You are a warrior, and you look forward to the challenges because you know that they make you a better entrepreneur. They make you a better person. So you look forward to them, you challenge them, you take them on, and you overcome them. And you do it because you're able to tap into your power by relaxing your body, quieting your mind, and allowing your resourcefulness and creativity to come out. Now I'm going to count from 1 to 5. And when I say 5, your eyes will open. You'll be fully awake, completely refreshed and relaxed. Number 1, slowly, easily return to your full awareness once again. Number 2, each muscle nerve in your body is loose, limp, and relaxed, and you feel wonderfully good. Number 3, from head to toe, you feel amazing in every way. On the number 4, you become aware of the room that you're in and the body that you're breathing into. And on the next number I count, eyes open, fully awake, completely refreshed and relaxed. Number 5, eyes open, take a deep breath in, and have a great day.